Friends, so today a client brought in a Redmi Tab 2 Pro that wasn't charging. The charging IC was bad, but the tricky part is that opening the device is risky because you have to go through the LCD, that is the screen. So I carefully opened the phone through the LCD. Yeah, you can see me now opening the phone through the LCD. I really have to be careful because one wrong move will damage the LCD. So finally I opened the LCD. Now the screen is still working. So now opening the LCD is not easy, but I'm doing it. Yeah, removing the screws from the LCD. Yeah, the LCD is out now. Now let me locate the faults. Locating the faults, I'm checking on the flares of the LCD, the one that comes from the motherboard to the USB flares. Checked it with my booster, yeah, and you can see that it's 40. I have to lose it out from the board to check the one that is 40. You can see me opening the USB boards. They call it dumb board. So after checking it very well, I saw the problem and I started to remove the IC there to check the faults. Seeing the IC, I have to remove the IC and replace it. You can see me with my device removing the IC. Yeah, you need to be very careful so that you won't damage the other ICs. IC is integrated circuits on the motherboard. Now I'm done with it. I'm testing it to couple it back to see if it works. Yes, you can see me fixing back the flares and the main board, bringing back this LCD to couple back. Like you can see. Wow, great! It's charging again. Yeah, that's me. I've conquered it. So time to fix back the LCD because everything is not working. Put back the screws, gum it back, and couple it back. The device is working again. Yeah, everything is working. You can see it's charging. So if you have any faulty LCD or laptop, computer,